this video, we will be having a discussion regarding the Magento 2 help desk extension. By using this extension, the admin can able to manage the customer queries from a single platform. As in our previous video, we had a discussion regarding the initial configuration of this plugin. Now here we will be having a discussion regarding the further configurations like support content and reporting. Hi everyone, I am Achal. Before proceeding ahead, I would request you to please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button to get more updates. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.wapcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now as you can see, I have successfully logged into the backend of Magento 2 there. Now let's have a look over the further configurations like the support center and reporting. To have a look over the help desk configuration, you just need to navigate into the left navigation, and here you will find an option of help desk manager. You just need to tap over that particular option and accordingly a window will comes up where you will get the complete configuration setting options. As we have covered these sections like ticket management, agent management and customer management in our previous video, here we will be having a discussion regarding the further configuration section like support content and reporting. So first I will going to show you the configuration of support content. As here you can see, we do have multiple options inside this. So here we will be having a discussion first over the manage business hours. You just need to tap over the business hours option. From this particular option, you can add your business hours, like you can set the business hours over your help desk at what time you are available to provide the support to your customers. Likewise, you can able to add the timings from the backend there. So as you can see here, you will get an option of add business hours. You just need to tap over that particular option, and from here you can add your business hours like I am adding here. You just need to provide the business hour name and description and the time zone. From here you can able to select your timings. After filling these business hours, you just need to navigate into the left side, and here next we do have an option of help desk hours. As you can see, we are having a list as per the working days and hours as well. You can select or choose as per your requirement and as per your availability. Next, from here you can also set the holiday list. As we are having, like, you can set the holiday list here. You just need to tap over the add holiday. Likewise, you can add multiple holiday list, and after filling out the required information, you just need to tap over the save business hours, and these business hours will going to appear over the list of business hours option. As here I have already added this default business hours, so this will going to appear over here, and if you want to create your business hours, then you can able to do the same, and accordingly it will going to reflect over here. Coming next, we do have an option of manage events and triggers. Events and triggers are something, the actions which is going to perform via agent or customer inside your help desk, and then accordingly an activity should be performed, and that is managed by the events and triggers. As you can see here, I have set some events and triggers, and you will get the option of these triggers over here. And if you want to create a new event, then you just need to tap over the add event option, and accordingly you need to fill out the event information. Like here I am filling out the required information as I am creating a new activity, a new event, that is change status, and marking this as enabled. Coming next, we do have an option of actions. Like if a status is, I have added a event that is change status. Now next we have to perform actions like whenever a ticket status is changed, then what action should be performed over there. As you can see here, we are having some rules. From here you need to set the conditions and events. As here I am selecting, like if a status is changed, then ticket is I have created if the status is changed, then note will be added. And agent is going to assign, like once, as you can see, I have set an event like if the status is changed, then action is performed, note added over the ticket, and agent is also updated, a particular agent is going to assigned. So likewise you can create the multiple workflows, like you can create multiple events and actions, and accordingly these action will going to perform over the ticket itself whenever an activity is taking place over your help desk there. After that you just need to tap over the save event, and event successfully saved, and it will going to appear over here. As you can see, we are having the list of events. Likewise you can manage your own help desk by applying these conditions and actions. Next we do have an option of responses. From here agent or admin can create and manage the multiple responses from here. Like you can see here over the screen, we do create responses from here. Like I am going to add a new response over here. Like here I am creating a response, like if a group is updated, from here you can also select like who can perform the actions, like all agents, or it is the responses only for a particular group or only for you as well. And from here I am enable that particular option is on. Now I have added a response, that is if group is updated, what actions are going to perform inside the help desk. From here I am going to add actions for that particular response. Like if a group is updated, then a particular ticket is assigned to a agent. From here you can select the agent from the drop down there. As I have added a new response, like if a group is updated, then the action, what action is going to perform, like that particular ticket will be automatically assigned to another agent, and I have selected the name as well from there. Rest, if you want to add multiple actions from there, then you can able to do the same as well. As I have also set another condition, like the type is also changed, that is question or support or sales. You can add the particular action as per your own need, and accordingly you just need to tap over the save response option, and it will going to save successfully and also going to appear inside the list of your responses. Likewise you can manage your help desk via the responses functionality. Coming next, we do have an option of tags. Tags is something, the tag is something like if you are creating a ticket and from there you are adding any particular tag, then the complete tag list will going to appear over here. Like as I am going to show you how it will work. I am going inside a particular ticket itself. As here we can take an example of this particular ticket. Over the ticket you will get an option of adding tags. Inside the left navigation, as you can see here, we do have an option of ticket tags, and I have already added another tag. Now I am adding here another tag, that is issue. You can see successfully you have added this tag inside the ticket view. Now let's have a look how it will going to appear over the tag list. Coming next inside the tags option, and you can able to find the list of the tags which is applied over a particular ticket itself. Likewise, you can also add multiple tags inside the ticket view, and accordingly a list will going to appear, and from here you can able to track the same. Now coming next, we do have an option of manage SLA policy. SLA is something from which the admin can able to set the targets to the particular tickets, so that the support agents can able to resolve the particular ticket entire the duration time which is set or provided by the admin itself. So as here you can see, we do have an option of manage SLA. From here admin can able to create the SLA policy. As here I am going to show you how the admin can able to set the SLA policy. As here you just need to fill out the required information. Like first you need to add the name of that particular SLA and the description, and you can also, if you want, then you can also add the sort order as well. Coming next, after filling out the SLA policy, we do have an option of SLA targets. You just need to tap over there, and accordingly a new window will comes up where you can able to find the priority on the basis of respond within like the timings, as we have set 15 minutes, or you can also set as per your own requirement over the days and hours as well. And operational hours which we have selected is business hours, or you can also change the same from the drop down here as per your own convenient. And next we do have an option of condition for SLA, like what action you want to perform. Like organization name is, I am selecting here. And from here agent is John Doe. As here I have also set the conditions for SLA, like first we need to create the SLA policy, and accordingly we have to set some targets from there, like what duration time you want to be assigned to resolve those particular tickets, and what actions you want to perform if our agent is unable to resolve the queries inside the duration of the timing which the admin has set. From here you can set that particular condition, and accordingly you just need to tap over the save option. As here you just also need to set the sort order, and accordingly you just need to tap over the save option, and accordingly SLA policy successfully saved, and it will going to appear over here. Likewise, you can set your own SLA like so that you can able to resolve your tickets on the target basis. Now coming next, we do have an option of manage support center. You just need to tap over there. Manage support center is something like we can also set the saved replies of the common query ticket types. You can create these support centers, like here I have already created a particular saved reply. As you can see here, you just need to write down the support center name, as I have created a common saved reply which can used by each of the agent. Like if a common query is coming from the multiple customers, then agent just need to tap over that particular support center activity, and from there they can able to answer the queries for the common ticket type queries. As here you can see, we do have an option of support center name, what name you want to provide to that particular saved reply, and a description. Along with the CMS page, you can also select here, like I have selected here these two platforms where it will going to appear, and from here you just need to mark the status as enabled, and accordingly you just need to tap over the save option, and it will going to saved, and also you can track the same inside the list of your support center option. And if you want to change the status, or if you want to delete that particular support center like the particular saved replies, then you can also able to do the same by tapping over delete option and change status type. Coming next, we do have an option of manage email template. you can able to create your email template from the manage email template option. As here I am going to show you how you can able to do the same. To add a new template, you just need to tap over the add new template option, and accordingly a window will comes up from where you need to provide the template information. As here you can see we need to provide the name, subject and content and template style as well. As here I am creating a template for new customers. After filling out the required information, you just need to tap over the save button, and if you want to check the preview of the template, then you can tap over this particular option. As here I am going to save this option, and it will going to appear into the list of your email templates, and also you will get a pop-up as well. Now if you want to preview, then it will going to show you the preview of the particular email template which you have created inside your help desk. Likewise, you can create multiple email templates, and accordingly you can able to manage the same from the backend itself. Now next we do have an option of connect email. For filling out the configuration, you just need to navigate into the help desk manager, and inside there you will get an option of connect email. Manage connect email is something the mailbox configuration of your support center from where your customer is reaching out to you, and that particular email will be going to convert into the ticket itself. As here, to proceed further with this process, you need to configure your mailbox with the Magento 2 help desk extension inside the backend there, and accordingly all your incoming emails over that particular mailbox will automatically going to convert into the ticket itself, and also it will going to appear inside your help desk. As here you can see you are having an option of add item. From here you can set your mailbox. After tapping over there, you will get an option of email information. Here you need to provide some email information. As here I am creating a email information like new ticket. As you can see, I am creating a email information like whenever a new ticket has been generated, then particular email will be going to that particular customer to get notified regarding the ticket itself. And from here you need to also provide the mailbox of your mailbox address. After filling out the connect email information, you will get an option of IMAP and pop-up configuration. From here you need to fill out these information to configure your mailbox with the help desk itself. As here as you can see, first you need to provide the username and password, and accordingly you need to provide the host name as well. As here I am providing the host name and the port number. You need to provide this host name and port number. You will get this information inside your mailbox which you are going to configure with your help desk, either it is Yahoo, Gmail or Outlook. And from here you can set the protocols as well. As I am selecting here the IMAP, and fetch email number I am writing here 50, and next we do have an option of help desk action, like what action you want to perform over there. Like if email is coming, then I want to perform a new option, like a folder is created that is named inbox folder. After filling out the required IMAP and POP configurations, you will get an option of default values of ticket. You just need to tap over there, and accordingly you can set the default group, ticket and priorities of these email of these particular tickets which is coming from the email itself. If you want to change, then you can do the same as per your own convenient. Now, after filling out the required information, you just need to tap over the save option, and accordingly these email information will be automatically get saved and will going to reflect over the screen, and you can also able to track the mailbox configuration inside the manage connect mail. So moving ahead, next we do have an option of activity. From here you can analyze the complete work performance of your help desk, like what actions will be performed inside your help desk and what activities is there inside the help desk. As you can see here, the complete description along with the label and the ticket and the entity type, and along with the performer, and what, like as a ticket is created, then you can also able to track the date and the timing of the same as well. And if you want to delete any of this particular activity, then you just need to check that particular activity mark, and from here you just need to tap over the delete option, and this particular activity will going to delete it from your help desk itself. Now coming next, we do have an option of reporting, and inside the reporting we do have two options like customer report summary and agent report summary. First we will going to check out the customer reporting summary. As here, customer report summary is something from where you can check out and analyze the performance of the activities which is happened from the customer end itself. As here you can see the total count and the resolution ticket as well, and the first response time over that particular ticket and the average response time as well. And if you want to perform any action, like if you want to select and if you want to delete, then you can able to do the same from the backend itself. Likewise, same goes for the agent reporting summary. Coming next, we do have an option of agent report summary. As here you can see, you can also able to track the complete work performance from your agent itself, from as we are having a list like the along with the first name and last name. This name is this is something the support staff agent who are taking care of your customer queries, and along with that you can also able to track the total ticket count and the resolution ticket over that particular support agent, and the first response time and the average response time as well. So that's all about the configurations of the Magento 2 Help Desk plugin. If still you are having any kind of concern or queries, you can reach us at support@webcool.com, or you can also raise a ticket from webcool.uvdesk.com. I hope you liked our video. If so, then please give us a big thumbs up and have a great day ahead.